green beans. Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make mayonnaise dips. In Japanese, mayo dip. Since my Japanese mayonnaise recipe is getting popular, so I want to introduce more. So today I will show you the Japanese version mayonnaise dips with using wasabi and 7 peppers. We say shichimi tougarashi in Japanese. And in the shichimi tougarashi, there are so many spices, including chili pepper. And those are the spices. Here is the shichimi, 7 herbs. And it has a chili pepper, sansho pepper, different kinds. And also wasabi. I used the wasabi paste this time. I hope it's easy for you to get at local supermarkets. And then during this video, I'll show some tips and techniques to make delicious Japanese style mayonnaise dips. So please watch until the end. Mayo-guru-chan and Mario Luigi will be the helper as always. And after making mayonnaise dip, and I will fry the codfish. And let's dip the 2 kind sauce with the fish. That's my plan for today. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, I'll make mayonnaise from scratch. I filmed another video how to make Japanese mayonnaise, so please watch there. So I will do quickly today. And now we separate egg white and egg yolk. Isomatolor. No. Mayonnaise is done. And we use 2 containers. And let's pour half. 7 herbs, wasabi. And as a secret ingredient, we use soy sauce and rock salt. I use pink salt today. And let's combine mayonnaise and 7 herbs. And also soy sauce. And pink salt. So you can enjoy the crunchy texture at the very end. It has a very mild flavor rather than sea salt. So it's also good to pair with the ingredients that is very plain flavor. And today, it's good for the codfish. Now the sauce, shichimi mayo dipping sauce, is done. And next, let's use wasabi to make mayonnaise wasabi dips. And the wasabi has a very strong and hot flavor. We use soy sauce. So 2 dips done. Okay, so let's do the preparation for codfish. And I use sea salt. Now white pepper. Okay, so let's do the frying. So we prepare canola oil. I don't want to use a lot of the oil, so I just use 1 centimeter. Let's start. And medium heat. Then we lightly beat in the egg on the tray. Then we put panko on the same tray. It's very simple and it's very easy, lazy technique. Sprinkle flour. Then now let's put the bits. Okay, now let's do coating. So eggs first. And please put panko on the surface. Then let's start frying. If you use fingers, it's easy and it's very fast. And I recommend to use the big fry pan so that you can fry all of them at the same time. And I recommend to use the Japanese panko. Japanese panko is usually made of white bread, which has a white color inside, and it's very soft. It smells so good. So let's flip. nice already. Now it gets brown color. Now it's time to take out. Nice golden brown color. Fried cuttlefish is done. Okay, so 2 kinds mayonnaise dips and fried cuttlefish is done. So let's try tasting. So I eat directly. At first, I'll try Japanese mayo dips with wasabi. Itadakimasu. Wasabi. So as you know, you use wasabi for sushi. So it's good combination already. Wasabi and fried fish. I'm sure some of you don't like sushi, so maybe you have never tasted wasabi. But if you make this mayonnaise dips, you can enjoy wasabi with fried fish. So yum! So let's try the mayonnaise dips with shichimi. Oh, I like fried fish. It's so nice and crispy. Okay, let's taste. It's so spicy from the beginning. Wow, it's so Japanese flavor. Japanese people, we normally use shichimi for sprinkle over the udon, soba, sometimes tempura. So it's very new style to put in a mayonnaise and mix together to make a spicy mayo dip. And if you like hot and spicy food, I recommend this dip. And I put the rock salt, so it also good punch. So nice. I like this one too. I made the mayo dip today with using wasabi and 7 herbs. And this can be also good just to dip the fresh vegetables like cabbage leaves or boiled carrots or other asparagus, green beans, just to check the flavor. Also recommend for boiled vegetables or grilled vegetables too. So please try it out. So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoy learning Japanese style mayonnaise dips. So do you remember the tip? Please make Japanese mayonnaise from scratch. It becomes very natural and comfort flavor. Tip, I recommend to use the rock salt instead of using sea salt. So you can enjoy the crunchy texture when eating. And of course, it has minerals and umami flavor in it. And a tip, you can use this mayonnaise dips for dressings. So please grill or steam vegetables and enjoy with this sauce. Okay, that's all for today. So Sui-chan has come. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Sui. She's smiling today. Hiccup. And again, special thanks to Mario and Luigi. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.